checking out this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your patience. I know it's been a while, but I've been working on my cave diver certification. So I've been a little bit busy. This month it is October, so I thought it'd be fun to stick to the Halloween theme and show you the vampire pose. Anyways, let's get started. The vampire pose is an intermediate to advanced level pose. I say this because it puts your back in a potentially vulnerable position if you don't have a fair amount of core strength. This pose begins in a bucket seat. I find that it's easier to create a bucket seat if you first shake out the fabric. After you have your fabric as it needs to be, reach behind you and gather about 5 or so handfuls of fabric. If you don't get the perfect amount, don't worry, we can readjust later. Then I lift myself up into a bucket seat and lay so that I am horizontal in the hammock. The goal here is to lay so that my shoulders are adequately covered, and also so that I can use excess fabric to come up over my feet and over my knees. Once I'm situated so that my shoulders are cradled and the fabric is coming over my legs, I then curl up into a ball. When my knees have reached my chest, I engage my core and begin to flip over. As I expand my body, the hammock catches me from where I created that cradle at my shoulders, as well as where the fabric is folded over at my knee. As my body is stretched out, I am continuing to engage my core and will continue to do so. If I'm feeling like an extra challenge, I can create a variation of the pose by releasing one leg from the hammock. There are a variety of ways to step out of this pose, and feel free to take which variation you like. I prefer to step out of it so that I can end with this beautiful shape. As always, thank you so much for checking out this demo. I have many more on my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you next time.